Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn regarding the CSS module in React.js, that how this work and why we need them. Well, have you ever been working on your React project and notice that the style from one part of your app accidentally messed up another part as well? That's happened because of global CSS, where style are not limited to one component, and another means the global CSS applied on the whole app. So in this video I will show you an easy way to fix this problem using CSS module. CSS module let you keep your style separate and only apply them to the component you want without affecting anything else in your app. By the end of this video you will see how CSS module can make your styling much simpler and more organized. Let's get started. Let's start here. We have two buttons with the same class name, button and button, and we have applied some global CSS from index.css, which is this, which we can see in the browser as well. Here is the two buttons. Now what we want, that we want to apply different CSS to this button. So how we can do this? We can do this using module CSS. So for this we have to create the separate CSS file, which should be button.module.css, and after that we have to import it as well. Here, import style from, and we have to change this to something like this, styles dot button. Now you can see the class name has been remained same, but the style will not be applied on button 1 because this has been become the local class, not global class. So that's what module CSS do. It make the classes local, not global. So let's apply some style to that button from here. Sorry, let's give it a background color aqua, and some padding to it, like 12 pxo and 24 pxo, and let's save it and now see the result. So this is the behavior of module CSS, how we can localize our CSS to a specific part of our. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much.